Alright, welcome back to Halloween Town. My name is Jack Skellington, and today I'm going to show you another piece of custom clothing that I made. This one is based off of a Disney movie that I think is better than Frozen, although that is a hot topic. Hot topic, pun intended if you're a goth kid. This is based off of The Nightmare Before Christmas. This is made for a previous customer that I had, so this one isn't for sale, sorry. But if you do like it and want to check out some of my other works, or maybe want to, I do commissions, this was a commission. If you want to order something from me, you can check out my Depop. I'll put my Depop in the description, and I'm probably going to add it to the screen at the bottom, at the end of the video as well. But anyways, what you guys been up to? I like to ask. I've been good. I've been all right. I've been progressively getting more and more into collecting Pokemon cards again. I took a couple years off due to the scalping and the Logan Paul and all that fun stuff, but that's kind of starting to simmer down, and it's becoming a little bit easier to find some product here and there. And man, I've really been getting into it lately. I've already in like the past month or two, I've went to GameStop over an hour before they opened to wait in line to get Pokemon cards, which is by far and beyond the nerdiest thing that I've ever done, and I will not be adding that to a resume, but it's been fun. I've been enjoying collecting and opening packs, and I even have a very small sealed collection now. I guess I've become one of those guys now that I do it because I love it, not because I want to make an investment off of it. I've loved Pokemon for a very, very long time. I have a very, not a huge collection, but a decent collection. But other than that, I don't know if I would call it a new job, but I started back at a job that I worked for some years ago at the Gap warehouse. I'm sure you've heard of the Gap and Old Navy and Banana Republic and so on. But I've been doing that just on Fridays and Saturdays to keep myself busy. It's nice having like some sort of routine schedule. So that's been cool. Some drama that's been going on in my life. I actually almost lost my Depop account, which terrified me and slowed me down a good amount, but I'm slowly picking myself back up, getting back into my routine and everything. But they mistakenly flagged my account for supposedly sharing information with another account. But after a little bit more than a week of not having my Depop account, I finally got an email back saying that they were sorry and that they unsuspended my account and everything was cool. So I think they kind of messed me up there. I'm a little upset about it, but I love Depop. I love everything they've done for me. They've been very good to me. If you don't have a Depop or don't know what Depop is, it's a secondhand clothing online shop, kind of like Etsy, kind of like eBay. Same, it's a shopping app. It's great though if you're into streetwear, custom stuff, vintage stuff, all the good stuff. Then you should definitely check out Depop and get some good deals. I'm on there. I'm actually slowly getting up to 10,000 followers. I just need a couple hundred more, and I'll be there, which is exciting for me. That's the biggest following on anything that I've ever had. So I'm hoping to hit that by the end of this year. But if I don't. It's no big deal. But I will be, making some more stuff. I've got a Salad Fingers project I'm about to start working on. I've got a My Chemical Romance project I'm working on right now. And I also have a custom bear backpack. A lot of people have liked those in the past, so making another one of those. The only thing I'm missing on that is finding the right size eyelet or grommet that I need. I think they have one at Target, but I just haven't made it to Target yet. I'm using one in the video right now to put the little eyelet, like, I don't even know, that's what they're called. That's what it is. It's an eyelet, okay? An eyelet or a grommet. But this is actually too small of a size. I have those, but I need a little bit bigger one to fit like a keychain thing for the straps. Anyway, I'm rambling. Going back to the cards and the openings and all that fun stuff, if you go back into my channel at all, you'll see that I tried to be a PokeTuber, and I uploaded some videos of me opening up Pokemon packs and stuff, and it was fun. Me and my friends had fun with it, and I think I'm going to upload a video of me opening up some of the 100 packs of the All Real Monsters packs that I just bought off of eBay. So if that's something that you're interested in, cool. And it's kind of making me want to make an All Real Monsters piece of clothing. I have a couple patches already, and I think I've been saving them for like 2 years now, because I knew that if I were to make something with it, I would probably want it for myself. And I don't make stuff for myself often, and when I do, I don't really try too hard on them. I try my hardest on things that I want other people to wear. So I don't know. I feel like if I did make something with All Real Monsters, I would really want to keep it. And it seems like the things that I really want to keep are the things that end up selling like instantly, which I'm grateful for. Don't get me wrong. I'm glad that people like my stuff, and it sells and whatnot. But I don't know. I haven't decided on anything yet. And when I do, I'll probably make a video about it. I think I'm going to try to make a video about my Chemical Romance pants that I'm working on right now. And I'm definitely going to make something with the Salad Fingers jacket. But anyway, that's in the future. We're talking about right now. We're staying in the present. Tomorrow isn't even guaranteed, Man, making this sweatshirt made me feel again, brought me right back to the feels of being a little high school, I guess started in middle school. My scene phase, my goth phase, my punk phase, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if it's so much a phase, but just experimenting and learning to appreciate things that are odd, and that stuck with me. I think going through that had changed me for the better. Hopefully. Maybe? I don't know. What do you think? Well, anyway, so I made this sweatshirt, and I sent the person a picture of it, and they were like, at the time, all I had were the 3 patches of Jack, Zero, and Oogie on the side there. And I thought it was a little plain, but I thought it was kind of cool that it was a little plain. But they were like, hey, is there any way we could get like something else going on back there? And I was like, heck yeah. So they wanted the moon, and I was like, oh, what about Oogie from, like the silhouette of Oogie and the moon? And so we went with that. And then I recently made a pretty large scale painting that says Laid Off on it, which is my brand. And I made a stencil of Laid Off to spray paint on it, or paint on it, whatever. And this was the O, this swirl here, and the swirl is like my logo. So I figured I would put that in there. It looks nice. I don't know. I think it just blends well with the moon that Oogie's in, and then obviously there's the hill from that classic scene of Jack walking down it with the little spiral that unravels. So I thought the spirals just kind of worked well, and obviously, like I said, that's my brand, so marketing, I guess. I don't know, but looks cool. I love the black and white contrast. Every time I do something that's just like 1 or 2 colors, especially black and white when they're high contrast like that, I think looks unbelievable. I'm super happy with the way this one turned out. And the person already got it. They loved it, and left me a really nice review, and I appreciate them genuinely. So if you're out there, thank you. If you want anything else, or if anyone wants anything, just feel free to contact me. I'm always up to make things that I really enjoy making, and anything art related, being able to express myself and do something I enjoy is is all I want to do. I really don't. I'm the kind of person that if I don't make a lot of money, I'm okay as long as I'm happy and I do something that I like. Then I'm living a happy life, I guess. But anyways, sorry to get all. I don't even know what I'm doing, but there's my cats. There's me. Those pants are available on my Depop if you're interested in them. But like I said, the sweatshirt is gone. But I can do more similar to it. I don't want to do anything exactly like it. But if you want to check out my Depop, I'll put that on the screen along with... I'm going to make this into a TikTok video as well. I'll put that on the screen. Instagram and my website. Maybe I should put my email on the screen too if you want to contact me. Or you can just drop a comment. Yeah, just do that. You can message me on... I'll see it, okay? Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.